Good morning. I hope last night's homework wasn't too bad. Let's take a look at today. We are going to be talking about sets. Now, a set is a collection of objects. It should be well defined. The set should make sense. So if I talk about set A being defined as all integers greater than 0 and less than 10, here is my set A. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 because I'm bigger than 0 and I'm less than 10. Now, if I wanted to show this as a roster, this is what the roster form looks like I said yesterday. It's a list. A roster is a list. Now a Venn diagram, I think I need a better marker. A Venn diagram is kind of like a bubble, and there'll be overlapping bubbles. We're actually going to spend a day just on Venn diagrams because they're kind of fun. Just not today. So as a Venn diagram, it would be this bubble here, set A, and it would have in it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, if I were to talk about a subset, I'd be talking about a piece of this set. I wouldn't be talking about the whole thing. This is set A. So a subset would be a piece of this, and let's say that set B is a subset of set A. So A is the overall set, B is a piece of the set. And let's let B be the set of odd numbers. So now I'm defining set B. Once I defined what set B is, now I can make my list. The odd numbers from up here would be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now, let's take another subset. Let's have set C. And let's define set C as a set of multiples of 3. So it's in the 3 times tables. So now set C, so this would be, and then set C now would be 3 is in the 3 times tables, 6 is in the 3 times tables, and 9 is in the 3 times tables. So my subsets came from my overall set, which sometimes we call this the universal set, and then I have subsets from that. Now, sometimes they'll overlap. This isn't on the page, but we can write this in. If I were to then say, let's just very quickly look at a Venn diagram now. If I were to say this overall set is set A, which is defined up here, then I have set B, and then I have set C. Now, between set B and set C, I have 3 and 9 overlapping. They would go here. And set C only had 6 left over that I didn't use. And B, I didn't use 1, 5, and 7. So look at how I could draw a Venn diagram. B and C shared 9, and 6 was hanging out, and then all these numbers out here would have been all the even numbers we didn't use, the 2, 4, 6, and 8. So that's kind of neat. Now, if you look at exercise 2, it has tossing a coin and rolling a die. Actually, I want you to take a moment and see if you can write out that sample space, and then I'm going to come back in video 2 and see how you did.